going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 350 Zebra. Let's get into it. First, you got the same normal 350 box. It has 350 on the top of the box. On this side of the box, it says Boost. And then this side doesn't have anything. And then in the front of the box, it reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2. And the colorway is white, sea black, and red. Let's get into the inside. You're gonna open up the box, pull out about the same normal cream tissue paper on the inside of the box. And pull out the main ingredient of the video. The Yeezy 350 Zebra. Alright, I know y'all done seen this shoe plenty of times because it has restocked over and over and over again, but this is a 2022 release, and yeah, this is my first pair of Zebras, so I wasn't able to have none of the other ones, so I was definitely trying to go for this one. Came out today, which is April the 9th, and they retail for $230. And yeah, I picked mine up at my local Finish Line. Even though I thought that they wasn't gonna be in store, I just happened to call today and they were like, yeah, we got them in. But before, they were saying it was only gonna be an online release. So I was happy about that. Went there, caught these. I was just excited to be able to have these in hand. And yeah, let's get into this review. All right, you got the nice white, black and white zebra Primeknit going across around the whole shoe. As you can see, I guess they call it zebra because of how the print looks. And you got this nice white line going across here, the normal stripe for the 350s. And then you got the SPLY 350 in red. You got your all white shoestrings and the traditional shoestrings, not the the ones that don't tie. These are the normal shoestrings, no extra laces. You got that traditional pull tab in the back of the shoe. It's on the back. That comes on some 350s, not all of them. Inside of the shoe says Adidas Yeezy on the inside. Then on the bottom, we got this nice icy white bottom, all rubber going across the bottom of the shoe. Then of course you got your boots on the bottom. And that's pretty much it for the shoe. Very simple shoe. It's just black and white, and that's why I like it the most. This shoe definitely can go with a lot of things because it's just a simple colorway. Black and white, can't never go wrong with black and white. Then I love the way they add that splash of red right here. And the letters, this is another nice touch to the shoe also. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your Primeknit going all over the shoe, which is black and white. Zebra print, that's what we're gonna go with. Then you got your white shoestrings, traditional shoestrings. Like I said, no extra laces came with it. You got your tag that always comes on the shoe. It reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Right there, a little hang tag, and you got another little piece that's on the back of that. Then you got your normal SPLY 350 written in red on this side of the shoe with a white stripe. And then in the back of the shoe, sorry, and then in the back of the shoe, you got the normal pull tab right there. That's the traditional little pull tab that come on some of the 350s, not all. I don't know why. But now on the inside of the shoe, it has Adidas and Yeezy. You got that nice white icy bottom coming on, going around the whole bottom of the shoe, going all the way around. And then you got the boost on the bottom of the shoe also. And yeah, that's, like I said, that's pretty much it. Very simple shoe, just very nice, simple shoe. Sizing wise, these fit the same as usually most 350s. I would also recommend go a half a size up. I usually go a half a size up in all my Yeezy just for a little extra comfort. If you have wide feet, I would definitely go half a size up, either a whole size up. And you can go true to size, but if you do, you might want to take the inserts out so your feet don't be as snug on the top of the toe box. But it's totally up to you and the comfort that you like in your shoes. But most of the time in Yeezys, like I said, I always have a size up, or if you have a wide foot, I will go a full size up. The colorway, I like it a lot. I know it used to be very high before they started re-releasing, which I'm happy they do re-release these shoes, because for people like me that didn't get them before, you're able to get your hands on them now, because a lot of people don't really want them because they already have them. So I was happy about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for these Yeezys right here. Nice, simple black and white shoe. Y'all tell me what y'all think about these Yeezy 350 Zebras? Did you try to go for them? Do you already have a pair? Which year did you get yours? If you do have a pair, and just let me know how they hold up, because I know I looked at some of the older versions and the white part down here start yellowing, so I'm hoping that doesn't happen with these right here. But let me know if you had the 350s before, the Zebras, and let me know about your bottom. Did it yellow, or how does it look still? And I'm hoping these new pairs, they don't yellow like the old pairs. That's what I'm hoping. But you know, that's all we got for these. Continue to like, subscribe, continue to follow my Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting on my videos. And that's all I got for y'all. So stay tuned to the end for the on feet. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.
This is Phase Ed Music.